Would you like to have soft, smooth skin? Would you like to have boost of energy? Would you like to able to think clearly? Then eat your fruits and vegetables. Personally, I love fruits and vegetables. Are you proud to eat so many salad? How is it possible to eat so many apples? Somebody can ask me. What should I do? I know the benefits from fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables consist a lot of water. It means I'll feel fuller with small quantity of calorie. I consume these healthy fruits and vegetables to make myself healthy, skinny. Fruits consist lots of fructose. It works different than natural white sugar. Fruits and vegetables are good source of fiber. It means you can feel fuller, faster. The digestion system works with fiber from fruits and vegetables long time. And it means you will not be hungry for several hours with very small calories. What's the benefits from fruits and vegetables? First of all, lose weight. Secondly, vitamin and minerals, which make you beautiful and healthy. Third one, it will give you plenty of energy. You'll be able to be active all day. You will feel good. You will not have digestion problem. You will not have big stomach. You will never have this kind of problems. It will boost your immune system. It will help remove toxic from your body. It will reduce any risk of cancer because it's a safe product. Okay, what should you do if you don't really like to eat fruits and vegetables all day? If you think then apple and bananas are not a food. If you don't really like to consume plenty of fruits and vegetables, I can give you an advice. Try to drink fresh made home juice. It will give you the same effect. According to my clinic from United States, by drinking homemade fresh juice will help reduce risk cancer. Your body can absorb nutrition. It will help with detoxification in your body. It will help you to lose weight. What fruits and vegetables you use for homemade juice? The most popular vegetables to use for your drink is spinach, carrot, cucumber, celery, tomato, beets, kale, turmeric, ginger, parsley. The most popular fruits for making smoothie, juicy at home: apple, bananas, grapes, watermelon, pineapple, and any kinds of fruit. What kind of berries you can use for your smoothie, juicy, made home? Berries, strawberries, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, pumpkin berries will be perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and watch more videos. See you in next videos. Bye.